Say it again, sir. Sir, there's a snake in my boot.
Say it again.
Say it loud.
Mommy, where's my scooty bag?
There's a snake in my boot. Tell Daddy.
Mom,
Yeah?
where y'all going?
No way. Tell Daddy there's a snake in your boot. Quick. Oh,
Zarek, what's in your boot?
Guys, another one.
Zarek.
That's for everybody.
Zarek.
Come help clean up the litter.
Zarek, what's in your boot?
Right? She can open this for everybody? She
Sir,
can open this for everybody, Mama?
Yeah, she can.
For everybody. No, I'm going to send something with Bonnie.
Zarek.
There's a snake in my boot. Sure, absolutely.
Zarek. Zarek.
Derek, look at me. You're so silly.
Say cheese. Come here.
Oh, my hat broke.
Oh, you gotta go pick it up. Somebody's gonna take it. The snake is gonna get your hat.
Andy's going to go to cowboy camp without you.
Tell me who this is. All right, put your hat on. Now I'll take another one, okay?